So in real world, what is happening now? So if you are able to observe, right? So the left side diagram is clearly defining the concept of multiplexers, and right side one is defining the concept of demultiplexers, right? Why I am saying that this is multiplexer and this one is demultiplexer means, try to observe. See here. So I am going to take the input from multiple sources, where the multiplexer will try to select one as output, right? Meaning that 2 power n lines as input, and it is going to produce one line as output, right? So here one is MP3 player, laptop, digital, satellite, and digital cable TV, right? So if you have a sound box system, only one sound box system, that is a surround sound system or surrounding sound system, right? So you can able to play from only one kind of like source, right? So out of these all 4 kind of sound sources, which one we need to select? That will be selected by depending upon the inputs, whether you are going to pass 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. So you can simply define, right? If I am going to say that 0 0, that means that you have to play it from the MP3 player. If you are going to pass from 0 1, you can say that it is from, you have to play it from laptop. If it is 1 0, I can say that it is from the satellite. If it is 1 1, I can say it is from the cable TV. Like this, right? So this is one of the real-time example for multiplexers, right? Similarly, if you go with demultiplexer is going to take 1 as input and it is going to produce 2 power n lines as output, right? In this case, if I am going to have one computer, that computer, if you'd like to print, that print can be given in many ways, right? You can able to print it from the laser printer or fax machine or color inkjet printer or pen plotter, whatever it means. So different kind of printers are available, right? So out of those, for what printer you need to give the print, right? So that defines the select lines. So one is like 0 0 defines this value, 1 0 1 defines this value, and 1 0 defines this value, 1 1 defines this value, right? If I am going to give, if I am going to say that please print in the fax machine, then I will select the values of B and A as 0 1, B and A as 0 1. Then your connection will be connected like this, and fax machine will be printed. Okay? So this way your demultiplexers are going to be used, right? If you are going to take one more example, basically it is going to work at telecommunication system, right? So basically, if you are going to take any kind of a multiplexer like m by 1 multiplexer, where you are going to have m inputs, and they are going to be like what we can call multiplexed this entire data into one source, and they will transmit this data, and all the transmitted data will be distributed by using demultiplexer. I can say that this is 1 by n, right? This is demultiplexer, right? This is where also you can able to use multiplexers as well as demultiplexers. Okay, fine. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.